Hey guys, welcome back to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you overview of the WordPress admin dashboard. Before going to the video, friends, still if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. If you are still not yet watched our playlist, dedicated playlist on the blogging using the WordPress. So here is a dedicated playlist, friends. If you not yet watched our video, so from the beginning I have been explaining how you can purchase the domain and how you can install the WordPress. If you don't know how to purchase, how to install and how to install the SSL certificate, you can go to the playlist and you can watch it. I will give link in the description. Now let's get into the topic. So first of all, let us open the Hostinger website. So once it is done, so here you need to log in with your account. So once you log in here, as you can see here, click on the manage. So once you click on the manage, here I am showing to how you can log in first. You can go to the dashboard and click on the edit website. So once you click on the edit website, you will directly redirect to the we are in the admin dashboard. So as you can see here in the left hand side, you have a lot of option available. In this video, I will show you overview of all these options. So first of all, so here you can see the dashboard and the overview of your admin panel. Once you install the WordPress to your hosting, so you will get this interface. So here you can have the dashboard home update. So if you have any updates related to the plugin, you can go to the this section. So I will just click on it. So once you click on it, you can any plugins, if you have any updates, you can just update through this here. And also you have an post, so if you want to post any article, so you can go to the add post. And also if you want to view all the posts, you can click on the all post. If you want to do the categories, you can go to the categories section, and also you can do the categories. And also you have an name, you can give the name and the description for your categories also. And also we have an tags here, so if you want to have the add the default tags, you can add from here. And also here there is an another option called media library and add new. So if you have updated already any media files like images file, so you can view from here. If you want to add, you can just click on the add new and you can update the file from here, or you can drag and drop the file to upload to your WordPress. Here you can have the pages option. So pages and the post, there is lot of different for it. So I will explain in the further videos how you can utilize this page and also how you can utilize the post option. And also if you have any comments, you can view the comments from here. Here you have an option called appearance. So you can go to the appearance to customize your theme. So in the next video, I will show you how you can manage this section. Next option is plugin. In the plugin, if you want any additional features, I will you can easily install from here. So in the upcoming video, in the next video, I will explain you how you can install the plugin and what are the requirement, what are the plugins we need for our blogging. I will explain it. If you want to add it, so if you want to upload the zip file, you can upload from here. And also you have an option for the users. You can go for the all the users, the register users everywhere. Everything will be displayed over here. And you can, if you want to add any new user for your blog to maintain it, you can add it. And also we have a profile section. And also another option is tools. So here we have to majorly see the redirection manager. You can redirect from here. And also the theme file editor. So if you want to edit, if you know the coding, you can edit from here. And also the plugin file editor we have in here. This is the tools option. So all in one, this is a plugin. And also in the settings section, we need to do some configuration. So in the next video, I will explain what are the configuration you need to do here. So here in the general, you can see the general settings. And also in the writing section, you can view the we are in the general setting right now. Here we can view the site title, tagline, address, URL, and also the site address. So here you need to do the HTTPS. So we have already added the SSL certificate, so we need to add the S after the P here. It means that we have been already enabled the SSL certificate. So if you have not yet watched our previous video on how we can enable the SSL certificate, so I already explained about that. You can view that. So here I have been explaining how to install the WordPress hosting and also the how we can install the free SSL. You can watch this video once you watch that, once you install that SSL certificate, you need to add the S here, and also here you need to do some changes like 530, and also you need to customize yourself. Once you've done the customization, you can click on the save changes. In setting, we have a lot of options like writing, reading, discussion, and media. You can select the media, and also the links. You can customize your URLs and the privacy policy page, how you can add it. So in the upcoming videos, I will discuss more about it. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel, and also make sure that you have watched our dedicated playlist on the blogging using the WordPress. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.